Hello my dear students, today I am going to teach you remaining part of the second chapter all together. Here some pictures are given. You could see the picture and tell the story. A potter lived in a village. He had a donkey. The potter made a pots for his living. Daily in the morning, the potter went out of the village, dug clay, loaded the clay on his donkey and brought it home. He soaked the clay and prepared it for making pots. After this was done, he took soaked clay and placed it on his potter's wheel. He made pots of different shapes and size with both his hands. Then he baked the pots in an oven. The baked pots were being ready. He loaded them on a vehicle and took them to nearby city for selling. In the city he sold the pots to the trader. This way the potter earned his living. Children, look at here. Here some questions are given. Let us see the first question. From where does the potter bring grass for the donkey? The potter brings grass for the donkey from outside the village. Who may be bring water for the potter to soak the soil? Either the potter brings the water required to soak the clay himself, or his daughter or wife would bring it. Who would help the potter to make pots? The potter's wife helps him in preparing pots. What may the potter require to fire the pots? The potters may require dry grass, wood, coal, etc. to fire the pots. Who would sell the things required for heating the pots to the potter? The trader selling grass and wood sell things required to fire the pots to the potter. Have you ever purchased a pot? Yes. What other purpose is the pot used for? The pot is used to fill water. Pot is to use store grains. Pot is to used in certain religious purpose by placing coconut above it. Many people are working hard and they are providing some facility to us. So all work are equal and important. So there is no differentiation between low or high work. Depending on each other, all live an easy life. In a society, people depend on each other for survival, fulfilling needs and other interests. So depending on each other, we all live an easy life. Do you think about the toil made by a donkey, a potter, or his helper while drinking cool water from the pot? While eating time, do you think about the maker and seller of ice cream? No, we do not even think about the maker and seller of an ice cream or milk provider. We should ask ourselves whether we are harming the nature while make use of the sources available to us. People are use natural resources in our day-to-day life. Natural resources are essential to civilization as we know it. So it is our moral duty to preserve the environment for all humanity and the generation to come.